Alright, go see if I'm in the picture. Actually, turn the camera this way just a little bit. Right there. Red button's going, right?
Yes.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Alright, come on over here. Kick us off.
Welcome back to another video of Canvas Can. Today we are
And
Monkeyboy.
And Monkeyboy, yes. So, Brad from Big Bad Brad's Workbench, I'll leave a description, link in the description down below. He has come up with the 1 pallet challenge. So Brad, here's your acceptance to the 1 pallet challenge. So as you can see, I got a pile of pallets here, but Monkeyboy and I think we're gonna go with this one right here. So we're gonna dig it out. Hold that, buddy. Oh yeah. So here's our pallet. As Brad said in his video, which I'll leave a card. I think it's over here, over here somewhere. Anyways, he says it's got to be no bigger than 48 by 40.
It is not 45. It's not bigger than
So we have 39. Well, it's actually
39 and a half.
It's actually 39 7/8 by 48. So, Brad, it fits within it. So, you guys are gonna have to stay tuned because it's gonna take us a while to get this built. But hey, it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button. Let us know what you think. Monkey,
Hit the bell.
don't tell me, tell them.
I did.
You gotta speak loud so they can hear.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell. So again, yeah, stay tuned. We'll leave that way you can see what videos we got coming out. Anyways, thank y'all for coming. Let's get this in the shop. All right. As I carry it. No, just no. Stop.
Oh, so?
Follow
Oh,
me.
it's this,
Okay. Cut! I gotta bring the camera down this way.